So hey guys, what's up? So welcome to my channel. So let's talk about how vitamin D deficiency could be the one of the major factors in getting the heart diseases. So a recent study has been published by the University of South Australia, which explains about how the vitamin D deficiency could be the one of the major factors in getting the maximum amount of heart attacks and the higher blood pressure levels as compared to the people with the having the proper amount of vitamin D in their body. So again, another study has been published by the European Health Journal, which made a genetic evidence of finding a people they are having more uh, cardiovascular diseases as compared with the people who are having the lower amount of the vitamin D deficiency. So we can also explaining about how some various countries like United Kingdom and approximately 55% of the people are unable to getting the proper amount of sunlight, and they are also facing the same vitamin D deficiency problem. So as we all know that the same amount of sunlight we can obtain from the as a natural source of an energy, so which would directly affects our bone, but also as we know that it completes our vitamin D requirements of the body. Another countries like USA, Canada and Australia, they are also facing the maximum amount of sunlight are not getting properly, and so Canada getting 37% of the people are unable to getting the proper amount of sunlight. And if we talk about the US, it 28% of US people are also unable to getting the sunlight, and 29% of Australian people are unable to getting the sunlight. So that's why they are feeling the problem of vitamin D deficiency in their body. So we can also say that vitamin D deficiency can be also getting we can getting this as a source of from various food like the fatty acids like fatty fishes, and some also natural drinks and some eggs also. So if we talk about some other factors like why if we talk about how to get rid of this vitamin D deficiency, some randomized trials have been also being made on the proper amount of people, but we cannot make sure that how much time it to get into this proper getting rid of this problem. So if we are able to getting the rid of this vitamin D deficiency, so that might be another factor for our global